Types of cloud models. In this video, we'll learn about public clouds. A public cloud is owned by the cloud services provider, who's also called as a hosting provider. In this case, it could be Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. The cloud provider is a service provider, and they provide resources and services to multiple organizations and users. The organizations and users like you and me will be connecting to the cloud service through a secure network connection, typically over internet. With a public cloud, there is no need to provision a local hardware, so you do not have to manage and update your system. Everything is running on cloud providers' hardware. In some cases, cloud users can save additional costs by sharing computing resources with other cloud users, and this is also called as multi-tenancy. A common use case scenario is deploying a web application or a blog site on hardware and resources that are owned by cloud provider. Using a public cloud in this scenario allows the cloud users to get their website or blog up quickly and then focus on maintaining the site without having to worry about purchasing, managing, or maintaining the hardware on which it runs. Businesses can use multiple public cloud service providers depending on the scale they want to run on. Microsoft Azure is an example of public cloud provider. The companies today that are using Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Platform are companies like Uber, large companies like Novartis, small and medium business companies as well that use cloud to save cost and get the benefits that the cloud provider provides.